Want an easy way to draw cartoon eyes that go from surprised to super scared? I show you 4 different feelings you can use on any character. Start with 2 simple ovals like these, nothing fancy, nothing complicated. And the secret to really surprised eyes is that you don't draw the eyelids. Instant surprise! Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Just kidding, we are not finished yet. We still need the eyebrows to elevate the surprise look, so we'll draw them nice and high and super curved like this. You can also add a few small lines above the eyebrows to suggest the wrinkles and push the expression even further. And I've already talked about this in another eye tutorial where I showed a simple trick with pupil placement. Because if you pull the pupils closer together, the eyes feel more focused. But for a surprised expression, a slightly more staring look might actually work better. But still not finished, because I'd like to show you a few variations for this look. Because surprise comes in levels, mild, strong, and cartoon characters who sing too much. So this is just a normal surprise look when someone hears something interesting. Think of it as a simple "really?" There's also a more intense surprise when the news really hits you and you're shocked. That's more of a "what?" moment. The eyes open wider and the pupils become smaller, which instantly pushes the expression. And did you already know this smaller pupil trick for making shocked eyes feel more shocked? Let me know in the comments, because there are so many little things like this that just work even if you don't know why. And then when you hear the explanation, you get that aha moment when something finally clicks. And I always love hearing what clicked for you. Okay, but here's another one when the surprise turns into worry. Now we need to change the eyebrows, raise the inner sides, and bring them closer together. And the last one, when you're extremely scared. But here we can talk about 2 feelings with almost the same eye shape, because you can get scared by something sudden, then eyes are bigger, pupils are even smaller. But super scared or terrified, that's when the fear really sinks in. Eyes can be the same, but we use the tilted eyebrows again, and you can add those tiny trembling lines to elevate the terrified feeling, because terrified is stronger and more intense and often feels like a state of mind when fear really takes over, like thinking, what's going to happen now? So we have surprised, shocked, worried, and scared or terrified eyes. Let's give them different eye shapes, because here I just show you the basic concept, but you can apply it to any shapes or forms you like. And if you watch my previous video on neutral cartoon eyes, you saw we drew a bunch of different eye types. I've left in the link in the description if you want to see the step-by-step process. For example, you can draw the eyeballs in different sizes, and it instantly looks more cartoony. Or you can let the eyeballs melt into each other, again a stronger cartoon vibe. Or you can play with the eye shape itself, so they don't have to be oval. They can be more triangular or even squarish, for example. Just pay attention to the details for these emotions: highly curved or tilted eyebrows and smaller pupils. Hope I didn't scare you too much with these eyes. In the next eye tutorial, we're gonna draw angry eyes and suspicious looks, so get ready for more intense expressions. And I've put together a cartoon eyes playlist where you can find all the upcoming eye episodes neatly organized. Now I let you with this for today. Practice a lot, because soon we're gonna draw more advanced things and we'll need our basics, like a simple but solid circle for drawing a head inside view. But now, thank you for being here. See you in the next one.